Welcome back to Primetime News. For those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com, a very special welcome to you. Up first this evening, with more jitters about the devaluing Jamaican dollar, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is insisting that the government has shifted its focus and priority to the country's inflation rate. Mr. Holness says Jamaicans should watch the low and stable inflation rate and not the recent depreciation in the value of the Jamaican dollar. He was speaking at a Jamaica Labour Party meeting in West Kingston last night. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
Last week, the US dollar sold for $142.23, a record low. On Friday, trading ended with the US dollar selling for $140.39. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says he's noted the concerns about the exchange rate.
We have concerns, but we have put in place a new economic model to manage foreign exchange. And it is not just to manage the foreign exchange rate, but we have now shifted the focus and attention and priority to a more important rate, one that matters to you more, and that is the inflation rate.
He argues that the inflation rate, the level of price increases, is under control.
That is what I want you as a higgler to watch, the inflation rate. That is what I want you as the teacher who earn fixed income to watch, the inflation rate.
To calm the jitters in the foreign exchange market, the Bank of Jamaica intervened twice last week, selling a total of $70 million to authorized dealers and cambios. In explaining the reasons for the slide in the dollar, the BOJ has been making the point that there has been an increase in demand for foreign currency due to the regular restocking by retailers for the Christmas season. In addition, there has been an extraordinary demand relating to portfolio transactions. The Prime Minister is asking people to have faith in the government's economic policies.
The dollar will revalue, it will appreciate. The market forces are acting out. It is not a perfect system. There are still things that need to be done to make the market more sophisticated so that it can handle some of the demands that are being made on it.
But speaking on TVJ's Smile Jamaica this morning, international economist and opposition Senator Dr. Andre Horton says the government and the central bank need to get over the notion that the daily rate of exchange is not as important as the inflation rate.
There's a myth out there about we don't have to worry about the exchange rate because inflation is the important thing. The BOJ think that they can sit down there in offices and say that the exchange rate is not important and it is the inflation is more important. It doesn't make any sense to us because the prices we face when we go to the supermarket, the prices we face when we go to the shop, the prices we face when we shop online are escalated because of a depreciating currency.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.